Children, now we will discuss about the volume of the cuboid. So how you can find the volume of cuboid? Children, we have a formula for finding volume of cuboid is area of the base into height. Now suppose I have a one cuboid. See, this is the diary and this is in the form of cuboid. Okay. Now if you want to find volume of this cuboid, then what you have to do? First you will find the area of the base. Now see, this base is in the form of rectangle. So if you are going to find area of the base, it means you have to find the area of rectangle. So area of rectangle, we know that length into breadth. So area of the base will be length into breadth. And height, what is the height of this cuboid? This is h. So this is the formula of volume of cuboid, that is L into B into H. Now we will find the volume of cube. Volume of cube. Children, I have told you, if for the cube what we have to do? We have to take length, breadth and height as same. Means if you will put L is equal to A, B is equal to A and H is also A, then what you will get? You will get A cube. So this is the formula for volume of cube. And children, now we will find the diagonal of the cuboid. Diagonal of the cuboid. First I want to tell you what is diagonal of the cuboid. Children, suppose you have a question, if find the length of longest rod that you can put in the room, then what you will find? Children, suppose you are putting one rod, how? Means from that corner, from the top, and join that corner to the bottom corner, then you will get the diagonal of the cuboid. ठीक है, diagonal of the cuboid means अगर आपको अपने रूम के अंदर एक रॉड रखनी है and that will be like this, means suppose ये आपका एक cuboid है. Now see, this is cuboid. Now I am going to put one rod inside this. Then how you can put? देखो, अब 3D से बेटा थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम है दिखाने में, बट सपोज आपने क्या किया, यहाँ जो पीछे वाला कॉर्नर है ये दिस, एंड ये जो कॉर्नर है लास्ट में यहाँ पे आपका नीचे देखिए, ऊपर का ये कॉर्नर और नीचे बेस का ये कॉर्नर आपको ये ज्वाइन करना है. मीन्स अगर आपने ऐसे रखा इसमें, सी लाइक दिस, कुछ इस तरह से आपको रखना है, ये ऐसे ऊपर होगा और नीचे जाके यहाँ पे ज्वाइन करेगा, तो दैट विल बी diagonal of the cuboid. So formula for diagonal of the cuboid is in square root L square plus B square plus H square. Okay, and now we will find the diagonal of cube. Diagonal of cube. So same process again you have to apply. Put L, B and H is equal to A. So what we will get? A square plus A square plus A square. So you will get 3A square inside the square root. Now see, here you have a square. So we can write A root 3. Okay. So this is the formula for finding diagonal of cube. Children, now we will find the curved surface area of cylinder. Now see how you can find the curved surface area of cylinder. Children, see, I have a one rectangular sheet. if I am asking find the area of this rectangular sheet, then what you will do? If this is rectangular sheet, then area of this sheet will be length into breadth. Okay, so length into breadth. Okay, suppose area of rectangular sheet is equal to length into breadth. Now children, see, if I am folding this sheet like this, see, like this, then now this is cylinder. See, now this is cylinder. If I will ask now find the curved surface area of this cylinder. So curved surface area means again surface area of outer boundary. ठीक है? Why this is curved बेटा? This is curved surface area means because ये क्या है? Circular है. इसका जो base है देखिए वो क्या है? That is circular. So that's why we call it curved surface area. Cuboid में क्या था? Cube में क्या था? That was the lateral surface area. Lateral means जिसकी surfaces straight हो in rectangular sheet. ठीक है? But here it is curved means circular. So that's why we call it curved surface area. Okay. So how we can find curved surface area of this cylinder? अब फिर से मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ. This was rectangular sheet. And when you are folding this rectangular sheet like this, then it was breadth of the rectangular sheet. देखो, it was the breadth. तो breadth का मतलब now for the cylinder breadth is height. For the cylinder breadth is height. And see, this was the length. This was the length. And then you are folding like this, then what you are getting? See, जो length थी, now this is circumference of the circle. ठीक है, फिर से देखो, ये जो आपकी लेंथ थी, लेंथ को हमने क्या किया? जब इस तरह से फोल्ड किया, then what you are getting? You are getting like a circle, and length of this is circumference of the circle. Means for the cylinder your length is circumference and breadth is height. Then when you will find curved surface area of cylinder, then again you will write length into breadth, but here length is 2 pi r and breadth is height. Okay, so formula for finding curved surface area of cylinder will be 2 pi r h. Okay, so this is curved surface area. Now we will find total surface area. So total surface area means, now suppose you have to cover its top and you have to cover its base, then you have to find the area of top and area of bottom. Area of top and area of bottom. So see, if you will find the area of this portion means area of the top, then you will find the area of circle. Okay, what you will find? You will find the area of circle. And same for the base. If you are going to find area of the base, it means you are going to find area of circle. So TSA means total surface area of cylinder will be CSA plus area of the base, area of the base plus area of the top. So it will be what? CSA 2 pi RH area of the base, it will be area of circle means pi r square, and again same for the area of top. So you can write here 2 pi rh, and pi r square plus pi r square, it will be 2 pi r square. Now see here you can take 2 pi r as common. So take 2 pi r common, then you will get h plus r in bracket. So this is the formula for finding total surface area of cylinder, that is 2 pi r in bracket h plus r square unit. Children, now we will find the volume of cylinder. See, suppose you have a cylinder and height of this cylinder is h and radius of the base is r. Then when you will find volume of cylinder, you have to find area of base and height. So for the volume of cylinder, you will use formula area of the base into height. Now see, area of the base. So base is circular, means base is in the form of circle. So area of base means area of circle. So what is the formula for area of circle? That is pi r square, and into height. Height is h. It means volume of cylinder will be pi r square h cubic unit. Okay, so this is the formula of volume of cylinder. Children, now we will discuss about the cone. So what is cone? See, this shape is known as cone. Suppose like this. See, this is cone, and this height means इस तरह से जो आपको थोड़ा सा तिरछी वाली हाइट जो दिख रही है, this is slant height and straight one is height. Okay, so in diagram you can see this is slant height, and slant height is represented by small l, and this is actual height. So we will denote it by small h. And base, now see, base of this cone is circular. So it means if this is in circle form, then radius of this you can take r. Children, how you can find slant height? Let's see. Suppose this is right angle triangle A, B and C. If this is right angle triangle, then you can use Pythagoras theorem. So you will write here AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So here AC is L, means slant height, and AB is actual height, means H, and BC will be also radius, because if this is radius then it will also radius, so it will be R. So L square is equal to H square plus R square. R we can write L is equal to in square root H square plus R square. So this is the formula for finding slant height. So slant height is equal to in square root H square plus R square. Now we will find curved surface area of the cone. Curved surface area of the cone. The formula for that is pi r L square units. Curved surface area of the cone is equal to pi r L square units. Now total surface area of the cone. The total surface area means, again I am going to show you, curved surface area means surface area of outer surface, ठीक है, and if you are going to find total surface area, so total surface area means curved surface area plus area of the base. So area of the base means area of the circle. So when you will add area of the base in CSA of cone, then you will get TSA of cone. Now CSA of cone, it was pi RL, and area of the base means area of the circle, so it will be pi r square. Now take pi r common, so you will get L plus R in bracket. So this is the formula for finding total surface area of cone, that is pi r in bracket L plus R square units. Children, now we will find the formula for volume of cone. So volume of cone is equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. So what is volume of cone? Means how much space is there inside the cone, means how much space is there inside the cone, that is volume of the cone. And formula for finding the volume of cone is 1 upon 3 pi r square h cubic unit. Children, now we will find the CSA, TSA and volume of sphere. So what is sphere? Ball. Ball is sphere. Now what is CSA of sphere? CSA of sphere. Formula for CSA of sphere is 4 pi r square, where r is radius. Suppose this is ball and radius of this ball is r, then CSA of sphere will be 4 pi r square. Now TSA of sphere. TSA of sphere, it will also be 4 pi r square. Why? Because there is no base in sphere. TSA means total area of outer portion plus area of the base. But for the ball there is no base. अगर आप इसको चाहो तो आप इसको एक पॉइंट पे भी क्या कर सकते हो, रोक सकते हो. So it means हम कह सकते हैं कि इसका जो बेस है वो निग्लेक्ट. ठीक है. So then TSA of sphere will also be 4 pi r square. Now volume of sphere. Volume of sphere, it will be 4 upon 3 pi r cube cubic units. Okay. And after that hemisphere. Hemisphere. Hemisphere means half of the sphere. ठीक है. You can say any bowl. Okay. Bowl is the example of hemisphere. So let's see formula for that. CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r square, and TSA of hemisphere it will be, suppose now I have a bowl. ठीक है. Suppose this is bowl means hemisphere. अब अगर ये hemisphere है, then TSA of this hemisphere will be what? Area of curved surface area and plus area of the base. क्योंकि इसमें आपको base मिल रहा है, sphere में आपको base नहीं मिल रहा था, but here we have a base. So TSA of hemisphere will be CSA of hemisphere plus area of the base, means you will write here 2 pi r square plus pi r square. So it will be 3 pi r square. So TSA of hemisphere is 3 pi r square. And now volume of hemisphere. Volume of hemisphere. So volume of hemisphere is 2/3 pi r cube cubic unit. Okay. Thank you.